Luckie, hi.
Hi.
You've been at the Accounting Streams workshop this morning,
That's right, yeah.
and you've been hearing about what we're trying to do. Can you tell me, do you think we're making progress on trying to change the way in which accounting education is delivered?
I certainly think so. I think from when I studied accounting at university, nothing has changed to what's happening at the moment with our students, and having something that's quite interactive, that has all of us, like-minded people experiencing the same kind of issues, and then being able to collaborate to try and create a book that is so accessible to everybody, I think is a wonderful idea. Wonderful idea indeed, yeah.
I think you're a fan. Where do we go next? Because this obviously is only stage one of the project. What would you like us to do next? Is it develop a second and third year version of the books in the particular modules as they already exist? Or should we look at more specialist materials to provide add-ons to other people's courses?
It's a really good question. I think firstly, we should get feedback from the actual material so far. So it'd be really nice to sort of bring forward all the positives and show them how to use this, how it could benefit the students in one of our away days, and then get the feedback and then sort of then find out whether they'd actually like something that's a bit more specialist focused, or, a generic kind of year 2, year 3. For me personally, I think that there should be something available for year 2 and year 3. So that should be a direction that should be sort of geared towards. But yes, you might get some feedback where maybe people want some more specialist areas as well.
If you were to pick one specialist area, what would it be?
Maybe things like ethics, sustainability, maybe even something that's more quite current issues. Things that are always changing. It might mean that the book's continuously changing, yes. But having that kind of real life experience, the real life examples, that's what makes it more current and more useful for students. At the end of the day, once they've finished their degrees, they'll then go into the working world, and what they want is to feel like they've experienced or had a bit of an insight into what they need to know, what they need to do.
As an editor, as somebody who's passionate about accounting education, I like that. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Thank you.